Some hits come out as soon as you hit record. Born in America, Chevy and Ford, but these Greek ladies loving me, they saying he's foreign. Floored them, blew the crowd down by they bootstrap. Came up on the scene so quick you think we was a newscast. Well, newsflash, I can see through that. People try to hide what's on their mind like a do-rag. Never would I do that, I'm a real fucking hustler. You be in the background making noise like a muffler, but if it doesn't kill me, it makes me tougher. And that's a message that I pass on to my brother. You never really gonna make a difference till you suffer, but we passed that. Now it's time to smash that thunder. Lately, I've been staying on my grind like a skateboard. I got some rocket power now, so let's take off. We going hard over these beats, y'all just stay soft. I don't even feel the need to say pause, cause you were cheap to the system, how you came and Bernie made off. I'm a firm believer that the hard